What's poppin', Chef? I'll be using the new Ableton Live 11 to make a Jersey Club track. Now before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more content like this. Now what I have here is Patrick Star laughing, and I'll play real quick. Now the sounds I'll be using is Naptime drum kit and the Jersey Club Essential drum kit. Comment below if you want to see more Jersey Club drum kits. Now I'll start chopping up Patrick's laugh. So now I'm gonna go back to the Jersey Club Essential. Just take the whip. Bring in the snaps. Now bring in the loop. Now that I got the loop, some snaps, some whips, now I'm gonna extend it by duplicating it. Now delete that. Delete this. Just bidding up the intro. Now I'm gonna take the original laugh and I'm gonna fade it in. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna take this and I wanna, what do you call it? Duplicate it so it's stretched out like that. So I'm pitch this down even some more, but just by octave. So I'm gonna do -5 minus 12. It's -17. And the reason I'm doing this is just like, to not just keep repeating the loop, but give it some more, give it a little difference. I'm gonna bring in the famous hey. And reverse it. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna bring this down here. So the way I'm chopping the laugh is I'm trying to build like a rhythm between the loop and the chops. That, like, if you pay attention, when the loop comes in, it's a simple chops, but when the loop stops, the laugh is a bit more complex with the chopping. So just take a listen. So now I'll just go back to the top and just make sure everything's aligned. And I'll just duplicate this. So the reason why I added that laugh there compared to the first 4 bars is just to give like the 8 bar, like it's not just repeating it over and over again. Each one's a little different. So I'm gonna do something right here as well. And I'm gonna just extend that by double clicking this and just dragging it. This is the like the big thing about Ableton that I like. Sounds like he's singing some opera. Don't forget to save. Now, in this case, you have 2 options. You can add more, or you can bring the drums in. Like, you can do whatever you want from this part. So, personally, I'm gonna just add the drums in. So I'm gonna go to the nap time drum kit. Take in the KBC's girlfriend. And now I'm gonna transpose the 808 a little bit. So, same thing with the 808s. I'm just aligning it with the chops. So I'm gonna bring in some of the famous haze and like core line of the rhythm. Okay, that's a nice rhythm. I'm just duplicating from that point on. Now I'm gonna take the snaps that we had earlier, bring that over there. and just bring in some more chants. That's basically how you do it. So I'll play from the top end, and we'll call it a day. And that's how you turn Patrick Starr's laughing into a Jersey Club track on Ableton Live 11. And I'll see you in the next one.